Hey loves, we're getting ready to make one of the best Southern style beans, and that is lima beans, which is number one. Now, it is not up for debate. If you have a problem with that, go ahead and go argue with your grandma, your auntie, or your mama, because she obviously did not make it right. When you start off with this recipe, you're only going to need a few items. You're going to use onion, carrots, celery, bell pepper, and garlic. Saute that in some oil, and make sure you soak your beans overnight. I know there's a thing called a quick soak, but we ain't going to do that because we want to make sure that these beans are absolutely tender. Now, these are completely vegan. We don't have any ham hock or smoked turkey tail, but we are going to use a little bit of vegan pork bouillon, or you can use vegan beef bouillon. I like to add in my golden chick seasoning and my red house seasonings. If you do not have them, you are absolutely missing out because they have everything in it that you need. And also using liquid smoke is key. I'll make sure I include the full details of this recipe below. And if you love soul food as much as I do, make sure you check out my vegan soul food cookbook. It's so amazing. And be sure to follow Chef Joy for more delicious recipes.